Well, to the kitchen now with pineapple, coconut and passion fruit hummingbird cake is packed with fresh tropical flavours. And this easy version is not just delicious, it's packed with nutritious ingredients as well.
And here to show us how is the healthy chef, Teresa Cutter. Good morning to you. All right, Teresa, this looks fantastic, but let's start with the batter.
It is fantastic. It's like sunshine and goodness on a plate.
It's gorgeous.
It is fantastic. And the batter's really simple. It's mashed bananas, really, really lovely and healthy. You've got organic eggs. We've got some gorgeous heart-healthy olive oil here. I love using olive oil in my cake. It adds lovely moisture into the cake.
And is that instead of butter?
Instead of butter. And you know what? What's going to give it the sweetness is beautiful honey. Instead of refined sugar, you've got a lovely little bit of honey in here as well. And so all you need to do is mix that up just until it's combined with a little bit of, it's just got a spoonful of baking powder. And I've got spelt flour here, but you can also use almond meal or gluten-free flour if you're gluten-free.
Fabulous. That's what I was going to ask, because everyone in my house is gluten-free, and I see this and I think, oh, it looks so delicious, but then you can't make it.
No, it's fantastic. And you know what makes it extra special? Some pineapple. So about a cup of chopped pineapple in here as well.
So have you taken a can of pineapple and chopped that up?
I have. I've taken a can of pineapple and it's already been chopped. Yeah, but you can also use fresh pineapple and chop it up. That's fine. It totally works as well.
Teresa, it's quite a wet batter.
It is a very wet batter, but it's moist and it's gorgeous. You wait till you try it.
Trying to get her to say that.
No, let me help you out with that.
I've actually got some walnuts here as well. So
beautiful.
That's going to add some
omega-3.
Can you
stir those in even when the rest of the mix isn't done?
This is a one bowl, throw it in sort of a cake.
Nice.
You can't stuff it up, and it's beautiful. It works every single time.
You say that, Teresa, every time, but I reckon we could.
I've got coconut here as well, so I'm just adding a cup of coconut.
Yep.
And you know, you can add a little bit of vanilla. You can add some orange zest as well if you want to.
Yum.
But pretty much, that's all you need to do.
Isn't that lovely coming into summer as well? Those beautiful fruit flavours and tropical flavours.
It really is, you know, and it's better. Like I normally make this cake instead of a fruit cake for summer, like for Christmas. You know,
nice.
This is fantastic. So this goes into two 20-centimetre tins, baking tins. Pop it in the oven, you know, half an hour, done, fantastic, and they come out like this.
That's the cutest little oven I've ever seen.
Gorgeous little one, a nice little prop on set.
So you've got two here now, and then we...
So I've made two cakes, and I've got this beautiful, now this is a beautiful lightened-up cream cheese frosting that I've made. It's half cream cheese, half yoghurt.
This is a favourite of yours, isn't it? It features a lot in your cakes, I noticed.
It does, but, you know, this is fantastic because it's lovely, it's healthy, it's gut healthy as well, and I just love to use it. So. And it's really beautiful, so it makes it nice and light, having some yoghurt in there as well, not just all heavy cream cheese or a buttercream like most cakes.
And that's a lovely icing you could use in a carrot cake or orange cake or anything.
It is carrot, orange, anything you want. And you know what I've just done as well? You know, you can put mango on the top, you can put passion fruit. It's summer's coming, you know, summer's here.
It's delicious.
And it's so fantastic. And you can do it in a double layer like I have here.
Do you want me to passion fruit it for you, Teresa?
Yeah, passion fruit.
Bring the passion.
Get out of my way, Eddie.
Bringing the passion, David Boywood, once again, as always.
You ready?
Yeah,
it's just soft drizzle.
Be generous.
Yes.
Oh.
How's that?
That'd be on my kitchen rules.
The more the better, I think.
Wonderful.
That looks amazing, and then you just load them up.
Would you like me to cut some for you?
Yes, definitely.
It wasn't moist before. It's definitely moist now.
Yep. Okay, all right, okay. All right, a piece
Beautiful. Thank you so much.
You're not going to pass it down the line because that's
Here you go. You already got a plate. What is this? I went to boarding school, mate. Bring your own plate and get served. Thank you very much, Teresa. That's delicious. Thank you.
Thanks, guys. It's from my new book too.
Yeah, absolutely. We're going to mention it too. Feel Good Baking. We're going to put all the details on the Sunrise website as well, because all of the recipes are like this. They're delicious, but they're also really healthy as well.
Thanks, Eddie.
And you can get that detail on the Sunrise website.
Thanks, Teresa.
Cheers.
Well, Matthew McConaughey and American